Hey guys, today I gotta connect the GFI outlet outside my house, replace the old one. The previous owner they used a regular one, but this time I changed a new one, the GFI, because it's the outdoor. So I picked up this one at Lowe's, $19. So that's a new version. You got the LED over here, so if something wrong with this outlet, it will flash it according to manufacturer. So they say that. And this one they will self test every 3 seconds, not the regular one traditional GFI from the old house. You have to test and reset by yourself every month, but this one they will self test every 3 seconds. So basically so this one connect to another one, but you don't need that. You keep right here. I'll connect the light in here, so they can tell you hot and white. So white, you get the white wires and the black one. I didn't change the housing yet, but maybe I don't need to change it. Alright, that's the brown one for the green. So the white go here and the black go to hot. Connect like this. And the coils. I also bought this one at Lowe's, so it's gonna be like this. Outside door, one cable can go out, anything you want. And then this one can expansion, 3 inches. So this one you can pop up 3 inches, so you can plug your plug in there. So it's gonna be good. Okay, let's see. Alright, that's the black white. There is a label on the back. You will see that hot and that white one. See right here, and then of course the brown on the ring one. Here, they already connect that. Let's put that back. Everything together and should be good. And one more thing, don't forget to shut down your circuit breaker power down in your panel. Whatever you get the power from, use a multimeter, check before you doing things like that, so you don't get shocked. Alright, don't forget to shut down the power. Alright, good luck guys.